The landing price of the Raptor is nearly 1 million, and its original performance is enough to race on the track. Now the owner, wanting to experience the thrill of desert flying, has decided to upgrade the vehicle overall. Let's see how we can take this car to the next level. First, measure and record the vehicle height to prepare for subsequent adjustments. After recording, begin disassembling the chassis and exterior parts. Since the original tires are already BF Goodrich KO2, changing the wheels will achieve the best off-road condition. During disassembly, the intercooler oil pump will need to be replaced later.
The space for chassis upgrades is also very limited, so only minor adjustments are needed. Remove the original car's protective plate.
Before starting the removal, the sound card needs to be replaced later.
Remove the original car's intercooler and oil cooler. Although the original car's performance is already very powerful, pushing the limits is also the owner's pursuit. Now begins the chassis upgrade phase. Even for this top-level off-road vehicle, there are areas that must be upgraded. Install eccentric screw shims. The original car's holes are oval-shaped and intense movement can cause the screws to shift, easily leading to vertical deviation. Remove the rear springs. Adding spacers can enhance the overall vehicle stance. Thread locker prevents loosening.
Even the car's shock absorbers are removed, making it heavier and faster, which can increase suspension height and passability. Ensure proper installation protection to prevent scratches during the installation process.
The shock absorber installation is complete. The next is replacing the intercooler and oil cooler. The intercooler and oil cooler of the Changji type can easily enhance power and control temperature. Replace the brake pads with MTBB-RX brake pads, which have low noise and high safety, clearly superior to the original car brake pads. Install a relay fuse box. As long as there is an off-road need, it is essential, because it can be used to protect both lights and other lines.
Install bellows to prevent overheating from friction.
Installation complete. Complete the original vehicle's large order. Install the Lanza shock absorber controller, which can solve the issue of the Raptor being unable to adjust the shock absorber group after disconnecting the ABS. The shock absorber control panel is also very convenient to use.
Assembling the tires and rims. The rims use DO yellow head ring rims, and their lightweight and high-strength features make them a top choice for many people.
Install the anti-loosening ring. Apply anti-seize compound of the same height to the screws to prevent rust and sticking. Pay attention to the order during installation, then use a torque wrench. Gradually increase the torque, repeating 3 times to ensure the tire is properly secured.
Do not forget outdoor lighting. In off-road crossing, lighting is your second pair of eyes.
Now the yellow light of the entire vehicle has been supplemented, making the view wider and clearer. The front bumper is replaced with a sand-pushing bumper, providing strong protection when pushing snow or sand. The original car's radar and wiring harness are rewrapped and installed, and the tow hook is also replaced, making it more convenient for field rescue. Add a pair of LP6 to the front bar. More light means more security. The lights are installed. Next is the installation of the radio. The radio is a communication tool for the wilderness, and nothing is more convincing than receiving a "please respond." The radio panel is installed directly in the overhead control panel, which is convenient and space-saving. The installation of the car platform is complete, making it convenient to adjust the platform or the shock absorbers. Upgrading the trunk should not be forgotten. Remove unnecessary parts for better cleaning.
Clean the trunk gaps to prepare for drilling.
Fill every gap to ensure the car remains dust-free at all times.
Take precautions before installation to prevent scratches.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
The lighting adjustment is complete. Let's do a final test recording. This off-road beast, worth nearly 1 million, is now fully upgraded. I believe the desert won't stop the Big Brother steps, so let's meet again next time.